What up to my dolls? I am Lee Leah, also known as Leah yours truly, and welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today, you guys, I'm going to be showing you how I installed this beautiful unit that is from AliGraceHair. All the links to this unit will be down in the description box. Make sure y'all go check them out. Leave me a comment at the end of this video and let me know what you think. Y'all, I tried these dramatic baby hairs, the little fluffy ones, and I am absolutely living for it. I love it so much. I'm not going to talk too much. I'm going to go ahead and let y'all get into this install so y'all can see how I did these baby hairs. And you can look as good as I look right now. I'm going to slide back, show y'all this little unit or whatever. And then we're going to get into it. Like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. And enjoy the video.
Then dip me underway. You can fill my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for every. Wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby,
I'm looking at Keisha like, do you love me? Do you love me not? Damn, you hit the spot. Y'all, okay. So we're gonna get on into this video because I'm pretty sure I did the intro already. So I let you guys know that this hair was sent to me from AliGraceHair. Y'all, AliGrace was one of the first hair companies that I worked with when I first started YouTube, and I absolutely love their hair. So this is something different for me to be trying. So I got their highlighted unit, and I believe that this unit is, it's 26 inches and it's 150 density, and it's straight hair. And I actually really love the highlights that came in it. Of course, I'm going to try the fluffy baby hair. So we're going to see how this works out. But I got my baby hairs sectioned off. I got this part left so I can crimp it on camera because y'all like to see me actually do my hair. But I did the rest off freaking camera because, you know, it just get repetitive, girl. It just be the same old, same old, same old. So it came in the bag. It came with this, and that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and get to installing this hair because it's Saturday. It's Saturday and I'm finna get ready to do some stuff. Okay, I'm finna get out this house. So let's go ahead and get to installing this hair. This wig cap was on from the install that I did yesterday, and I pretty much had on another highlighted wig, but it's one that I had for a while, and I'm gonna cut it. So what we gonna do is just clean up this hairline. I'm taking my 91 proof alcohol, and sometimes this stuff really burns me, y'all, because my skin is sensitive. It is sensitive, but we can't put no new wig on top of no old product. So we gotta clean all of that up, you know what I'm saying? So let's do that. Girl, I created a boss. My whole edge is gonna be sick of me. They gonna be sick of me. I'm about to get some damn locks so I can get these things. Girl. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to lay off on the wigs. Okay. So let me go ahead and try the wig on for y'all. Of course, y'all know we're going to be using the Boho Liquid Gold. This is what I've been using to install my wigs, and it gives me that flawless install. And even when I go to get my hair done from other people, I bring that with me because I just ain't found a lace glue yet that I can use that does not break me out. So let's go ahead and adjust these adjustable straps in the back. Don't mess up my crimps, honey, because these little crimps, it be taking so long to crimp. Girl, it don't take long, but it take longer than I be wanting to take. Shit. Let's see what she giving. Let's see what she's going to give. Okay. All right. Get into it. Get into it. Get into it. Get into it. When you put her on, I ain't felt cute all fucking day, but put some hair on, bitch. She cute. All right, let's go. Okay, y'all. So I'm going to take my wig. I'm gonna take this palette that I always use, the Ruby Kisses contour palette, and I am going to just apply some color to this here lace so we can tint it a little bit. Y'all know one thing, I ain't ever really used a lace tint. I don't really know how to not that I don't know how to use one, but I just ain't used one.
Some movie.
Alright, y'all, so I cut the lace off this time before I'm actually gluing it down because I just wanted to. I really was in the mood to. And for some reason, when I'm doing my own hair, it work out better for me that way. So I'm going to go ahead now and apply this glue all across the front. This really can be a glueless install. If you got some foam, some mousse, and you set this down, this will stay. But I don't have any mousse today, so that's hence why I'm doing these fluffy baby hairs. Okay, so let's see. Let's pull this back. It don't wanna dry today. I'ma got to be sprayed, baby. So we're gonna let that dry for a second, and then we're gonna be baking and put it down. Okay, y'all. So it's a little tacky right now. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I'm gonna go ahead and pull this forward. Try not to get my finger on Nathan. On Nathan. Cause y'all know getting your finger on it will mess it all the way up. And leave me a comment down below if you're proud of me, because look how far away from the mirror I am. And I'm doing this. I'm doing this install, and it is given for the girls. I think that these fluffy baby hairs are about to be cute, honey. I think they're gonna be cute. Y'all know when I don't know what I'm doing for real, it's always for some. Well, let me just not speak ahead of time, because baby, I've been a mess myself up. Let me just calm my little tail down. So I don't know how this is going to look, but me swooping this hair this way kind of made me want to try crimps with a side part. So this is a track right here because of the way that this frontal is set up. It don't go all the way across, it just really go in this part right here. So in order to make my part look like it's working with something, I'm gonna come over here to the side. I'm going to part it like that. Because we gotta, I want it to be a side part. So yeah, I'm gonna take my wax stick. So
Switch on my side of some movie.
Okay guys, so now I'm getting into the part where I'm finna try these baby hair things. So I got this little bitty flat iron right here because I be seeing people use this. Now I'm going to cut it, I guess, a little long. And then I like these baby hairs over here to be like extra because I'm extra like that. So I leave these a little long anyway. Oh shit. She already look a little cute.
A little. Stop playing.
Alright, okay. So let's just hope. Let's just hope I do this. Alright. This hair is giving. It's doing what it's supposed to do. I really did not expect me to like it like this. Okay, let's see. 'Cause I ain't really good. Bitch, the motherfucking flat iron won't reach. Hold on. Mama, you feeling like all the mamacitas. What kind of condition this?
I like that. Yeah, I'm feeling it. I'm fucking feeling it.
You feeling this?
Yeah. I like that a whole lot.
I do too. Like this. Like, I really don't feel like I need to, you know, calm them down. Bitch. I'll be back when I'm done.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for air, breathe, and wash me over until my